Just one simple trick, nothing else. Just one simple trick and you can become an amazing English speaker in less than 30 days. You want to learn this? Then this video is for you. There are 3 steps which you have to follow, and do this for 21 days to 30 days and you will see your English improving in all aspects. Your accent will improve, your pronunciation will improve, your vocabulary will improve. Everything will level up in just 30 days if you apply this process. Very simple process. 3 steps. Let's understand step number 1. Step number 1 is about consuming. It's about watching and listening. Now what you have to watch and listen, you have to listen to a local English speaker. It can be an American accent, it can be British accent. It's up to you what you want to improve. Assuming you want to improve British accent, I'll tell a name. In fact, you can see the photo of this guy. Okay, his name is Bald and Bankrupt. He's a vlogger. He's from UK. He's from London. Now this guy records about nature, about countries, about cities. He roams across the globe and make vlogs. But we are not bothered about that. All we are bothered is about the language and the pronunciation and the accent. That's it. So subscribe this guy on YouTube, free videos, and just keep watching his videos. Watch 1 to 2 videos, minimum 30 minutes every single day. Do it. Start doing it. That's the step number 1. And in the process of watching and listening, take a paper and pen and note down few keywords which you understood. Not about the words, I'm talking about the key scenarios which you understood from the vlog. Example, if he's recording a vlog about Delhi, note down the 5 places he went in Delhi or the 5 things he did in Delhi. Just note down the 5 words or the 5 sentences. That's the first step. First step is very simple. Just listen and note down 5 important key points. Step 2 is about speaking. In step 1, we gathered information. We noted down 5 important key points on what he did in one of his vlogs. Now, in step 2, we have to speak. But we'll use a tool which I'm going to show you later in some time. It is called a speechnotes.co. In that tool, what you have to do is you just have to talk. And that tool will convert whatever you're talking in form of a text. Let's understand how we can use this tool practically. You have to first go to this website, speechnotes.co. This interface which you can see on your screen will open up. You can see a mic button on the right side. Now what this does is, the moment you click on this mic and start speaking, whatever I speak will be recorded. Shall we check this? So let's check this. And what you have to do is, whatever video you have watched in step number 1. For example, I watched this video, which is what skydiving taught me about fear. It's from Will Smith, a famous Hollywood actor. Now, whatever video you have watched, and you have noted down few keywords from that speech which you have watched, what you have to do right now is you have to explain what you understood from that video in your own words. And when you talk, that will be coming here in form of a text. And the benefit with that is you can check what are the grammatical errors you have made later on. How, I'll tell you. Guys, let's see how it works. If I want to add a full stop, I have to say period, as you can see it on the screen. Let's see how it works. Hello, my friends. In today's audio, I am going to explain you about a video which I have seen. End. I'll stop here. Now you can see, guys, I have recorded whatever I saw in that video. I've recorded here in form of a text just through my speech. Now I have a tool called as Grammarly installed in my laptop. Now when you see a tool Grammarly which is installed in laptop, by default it's going to explain you the mistakes which you have done. For example, my friends, there should be a comma which is not there. Okay, that's fine. Explain you, so to you, that's fine. Uh, Zero fear. Actually, it was fear, so it has made it here. That's okay. I can fix it. And one more, I think, is this. He says, one more thing you want to understand is this tool will help you to improve your clarity even. If you don't speak slow, this tool may not understand what you're trying to say. This will really help you to even practice how to speak precisely, or I would say how to speak clearly in English. Only then this will understand the words. It's a beautiful tool. Use it. That's step 2. Now, step 3, what you can do for step 3 is you have to listen to this. Now, how can you listen to this? And you have to listen to this in American accent so that you can learn the right accent. That's the step 3. What you can do for it is, as you can see, there is a button of audio here. You just have to click on this speaker symbol. When you click on this, what it does is it's going to read all you have written in an American accent. And that's when you can learn the words in the right accent. Let's see how it works. Now let's listen how it came.
Hello, my friends. In this audio I am going to explain to you about a video which I have seen some time ago. This video which I saw was about overcoming fear, to be more precise, as it was about overcoming the fear of skydiving. Will Smith, who is the famous Hollywood actor, shares his experience of skydiving in this video. He explains how scared, how nervous he was before the day of skydiving. He was not willing to jump from a plane just for fun, but as his friends were willing to do it, he decided to go for it. When he jumped out of the plane, he explains that it was one of the blissful moments in his life. He says at the point of maximum danger lies zero fear. Cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you seek.
Okay, perfect. So now it is perfect. What you will see is in this process, at few places, the software may not be able to understand your voice or your language because of lack of clarity, and that's a sign that you have to improve on those parts. Now, once you listen to this audio, first of all, you will be able to find the mistakes which you have to correct. And once you do it successfully, you have already learned the right pronunciation. You have listened in English language. That was the step 1, listen to English language. Step 2, you recorded your experience in form of a text through an audio. And step 3, you exactly listened how a native speaker would have pronounced these words in a proper English. Now, for example, treasure. You want to know how to pronounce treasure? Just click here and just
treasure you seek.
Treasure you seek. Now that's the way to pronounce. That's the way to pronounce treasure. Okay. Skydiving. Now, how do you pronounce skydiving?
Skydiving.
Skydiving. Okay. You can just check pronunciation of any word using this tool. It's a beautiful tool. Use it. I love this tool. I hope it helped. So these are the 3 simple steps. Step 1, record, note down 5 things. Step 2, speak using the tool speechnotes.co. It will come in form of text. In step 3, listen and then try to improve the pronunciation. If you do these 3 things, just these 3 things for the next 21 days to 30 days, no one can stop you from improving your English. Do this and let me know how it worked for you. This one tool is enough. Nothing else you need to improve your English. If you like the video, if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anything specific you want to ask in the comment section below. Chharia here. See you soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.